Hello, welcome to this guide on how to generate a Moniepoint account statement for your loan application. What you have to do is open your Moniepoint app and log into your app. So all you do is tap onto transactions from the main navigation menu. But if you cannot see it, what you can just do is tap into more on the services. Look down and you find statements under account and settings. Once you have tapped into it, then select standard statement. You have several options to fill. Then you look at select statement type. Do you want it to be sent to just to you or 5 other recipients? If you want it to be personal, tap on to myself and save. Then you select the statement type. Select standard element. Then date range, like the required date range which you want, 7 days, 14 days, 1 month, or whatever. So let's tap in for 7 days, for example. Choose save. Then what type do you want? Do you want it as an Excel format or a PDF file? Whichever one, you pick your choice. You save, then you export. So once you tap into export, it's going to generate your statement. But before doing that, it is going to ask you to tap in your transaction to confirm that you are truly the one that is requesting for this thing. So whichever one that you want, just tap into it and choose if it is a stamp statement, which you have everything that has to do with Moniepoint. After that, you click on export. Then it will be sent to you directly. Download the PDF directly from your device or retrieve it from a registered email address. Thank you for watching and good luck with your loan application.